Good morning and welcome to Janky Cooking with Jessie. Today we are going to reheat this oatmeal. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it occurs to me that not everybody knows that. Okay, we'll start by placing half of the oatmeal in another container because, as I said, this is 3 portions that we made. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 ounces of water because that's how much I like for this portion, and then I'm going to microwave this for 1.5 minutes. Once that's done, I'll come back. Here we go. That 1.5 minutes is done, and that just does not look appetizing, does it? But if you start to mix it up, you will be surprised by how quickly it transforms into something that you can actually imagine putting in your mouth. Okay, it's already looser and looking better. The longer you stir it, the more it's going to thicken up. Do you already see how much it's thickened up? Okay, I don't want to jostle you guys around too much though. So I'm going to add in this banana and a glob of peanut butter, and I'll come back and show you the final product. There we go. I've got the peanut butter in there. The banana stirred in. Can you see how much thicker it already is? This is going to be just as delicious as yesterday. It's a nice thick oatmeal now instead of that liquidy mush we saw just a moment ago. And we still have this portion for tomorrow. Like I said, breakfast for 3 days is sorted, or breakfast for 3 people. Have a great day. I hope you found this tutorial on reheating oatmeal helpful.